In life, people will trick you, people will be against you. Sometimes you will face negativity. Sometimes the stronger person would come and push you around. Hey, tumi ki? Hey, charo. Will push you around. Lot of bad things might happen to you, but it's okay. It's okay. We need to realize the tricks of others, the lies of others, and we need to be stronger within ourselves. Okay? When we are stronger within ourselves, what the world says about us, what others do to us, it doesn't matter because we are stronger ourselves, we are stronger on the inside. When we are stronger on the inside, when we believe in ourselves, when we believe in our capabilities, when we believe that we can and we will, and I will show you that I can and I will do that, then comes peace. It gives us peace, it gives us prosperity. Okay, did you guys ever visited a circus? Did you guys ever visited a zoo? Did you see the elephants they play? Did you ever wonder how do little human beings like us manage a big giant elephant like that? These kids are so cute. I'm going to take some of you home, huh? Parcel. So cute. তোমরাও কিউট, তোমরাও কিউট, তোমাকেও নিয়ে যাবো। In the circus, they would have these elephants, and the whole day they will train these elephants. They will bring elephants when they are little kids like you guys, and then the whole day the training would happen. After the training, the elephant would be tied down to a tree, to a pole, to a rope or something, right? And the baby elephant wants to play like you guys. You don't want to hear boring lectures like this. You do? You guys want to play. So the elephant wants to break free from that shackle, from that rope. The elephant keeps on trying to break free, but hati pare na. Because the elephant does not have that strength in its body at that period. So after a few weeks and months of trying, the elephant finally gives up. The elephant begins to realize that I am not good enough and I am not capable enough. I will never break this barrier. I can never get out of it. এবং হাতি অভ্যাস হয়ে যায়, হাতি মেনে নেয় যে আমাকে দিয়ে হবে না। এবং যখন হাতি মেনে নেয়, when the elephant believes that it cannot do, it quits. It does not try anymore. The little baby elephant keeps on growing. It becomes that mighty giant elephant. It's so big, it is so powerful that a human being cannot actually control it. But during its childhood, we have manipulated it mentally. We have made it understand that it cannot get out of that shackle. And the elephant keeps on believing that. So you can come and tie up the elephant with any sort of rope, tied up with a plastic chair, and the elephant would not move away from there. Because hati agei bujhe geche je ami pari na. Do you understand what I'm saying? I hope at least some of you do. So guys, whenever something bad happens to us, we lose confidence. We feel like we are not good enough. But all of you in this room, in this auditorium, are blessed with God, with Allah's unlimited power to change the world.